Hello and welcome back once more to Mommy Siam. My name is Chioma. I've been getting emails and comments from my website asking me if I can show them how to turn pap into powder. So this is a pap, also known as Akamu, ugi or koko in powdered form, and I'm going to show you how I did that. It's very easy. It's just to follow a simple process and you'll get it. But before we get there, don't forget to subscribe to Mommy Siam. Click the subscribe button below. Also, click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And I will also appreciate if you share my videos and also leave a comment to show me that you have been here. So before we start, I just want to show you this quick process of how pap is made. I've got the full video somewhere in here, so if you check the description box you can see a full video of how to make pap. I have the one I made with white pap, and I also have the baby's brown pap which I made. So this quick process is just to show you how pap is made. And now what I have here today is my yellow pap. I made from yellow pap which I stored in the freezer, so I brought out one to show you how to turn it into dry pap. So I've got my yellow pap here and I'm breaking it to pieces into my oven tray. I'm going to use the oven today because where we are it's still winter kind of, so there's no sun. So I'm going to be using the oven. If you don't have an oven, you can dry it under the sun, but make sure you cover it so that nothing goes on it. When I mean nothing, I mean maybe dirt or something getting into the pap. So I'm using my oven today, and my oven has a dehydrator. If you have a dehydrator like I'm going to use, then you can use the dehydrator. So I'm using my dehydrator and I'm going to set it to 2 hours. After 1 hour, I checked it to see how it's going and then tried and spread it again. Just used my hand and my spoon to spread it around again, just to make sure that it dries, everything dries evenly and well. So as you can see, it's 2 hours now and my pap is dry. You can see as I'm touching it, you can see it's really quite dry and strong. So I'm going to put it in a tray and allow it to cool down very well. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to blend it. Blending it makes it turn into powder very well. And then to ensure that I get that powdered form, that very powdered pap powder, if you can say that, I'm going to put it through a sieve. So look at it here. You can see the pap is just, our pap is now in powdered form. Put it in a container and store it. These are the things you have to put in mind when you're doing this. Make sure the pap is dried very well. Allow it to cool down very well before you blend it so that there won't be any moisture. And after blending it, allow it to also cool down well. If possible, you can still put it to dry in the sun after you have blended and sieved it, or you can put it in the dehydrator again to just be sure that every moisture has been sucked out of it. Put it in a jar with some moisture still remaining in it. Then within a few days you might see that it has started getting moldy, and you wouldn't want to drink moldy Akamu or use a moldy pap to make other things that you want to make. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.